Good morning. Happy Monday. So today, hybrid 2 and online students are asynchronous. So I made you a little video to show you what it is you need to do today. So first I wanted to show you that right here, I put a middle school hybrid schedule. 'Cause some kids were a little bit confused as to what the schedule is. Here is the schedule. So let's go to our modules. Okay, so today our goal is going to be to review the rock cycle. So you do have a warm up today. You have a rock cycle who done it, and you're also going to work on your study guide. Remember, please, to finish your study guide. It is due on Tuesday morning at 7:30 a.m. Okay, so let's go to the warm-up instructions. Remember, folks, I've said it before and I'll say it again. The warm-up instructions that I post every Monday is essentially the template that you're going to use to put all the warm-ups on for the week. So make sure you save it in a place that you can find it. Today's warm-up, there we go. How are igneous rocks formed? Okay, so how are igneous rocks formed? That's what you need to write in the question portion of today's warm-up. And since I'm not there to go over it with you, I'll just tell you. Igneous rocks are formed by the heating and cooling of magma, which is inside the earth, or lava, which is outside of the earth. So next, you're going to go to your Who Done It, a rock cycle crime scene. And you'll click on that, save it to your folder, and open it up. Okay, so what happened was Mr. Pouste got injured. And the way that you're going to figure out how Mr. Pouste got injured is you're going to look at these clues. And you're going to highlight the row that contains the correct answer to each clue. So for example, which type of rock changes form? If you think it's sedimentary rocks, and I'm not saying it is, I'm just saying if you think it is, okay, just click on sedimentary rocks, and Dr. Cummins was learning how to code in the library, and highlight it. Then you're going to come up here, put an X where Dr. Cummins is, and then an X where the library is. Once you look at all 10 clues, you'll have this filled out. The places that do not have an X will tell you who did it, where it was done, and how it was done. So for example, maybe you go through everything and you find that this is your answers. There we go. And I'm not saying it is. Okay, so to look at this, to read this, you would say, okay, so who did it? It would be the person that does not have an X. Miss Sparrow did it in the auditorium by chemically poisoning him. Ooh. You would then write that right here, Miss Sparrow in the auditorium, chemical poisoning, and then make up a creative paragraph about what might happen. Okay, this is your opportunity to kind of use your imagination and, just have fun with it. All right, so that's how you're going to do that. When you have finished that, don't save it, you're going to submit the assignment, choose your file, submit the correct assignment, and then hit submit. If you finish and you're completely done 100%, and you've submitted it, you're going to then, before you do that, that was weird that came up. Then you're going to work on your study guide. Now remember, your study guide was for last week. So if you go and you go to Friday, October 2nd from last week, you can click on your study guide, either a regular study guide or version A study guide, and look at your PowerPoints for the study guide, just like I showed you how to do that on Friday. Again, if you've already downloaded the study guide, you don't have to come down to Friday, October 2nd. This is only for the people that did not already upload their study guide. And that is it. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you not one on one, but seeing you all together, sorry, on Tuesday. Have a great day.